Welcome back student. Good morning. Today I am going to explain in GK chapter 32 I can control myself. The chapter name is I can control myself. In this chapter we can understand about the self-control and self-control process of the body and mind. What is self-control? How can we define self-control? To control what we say or do and to think before we do anything is called self-control. Means what we do before doing what we think. Means if you want to start any work and before starting work, what you think about that? I'll make a plan. How can you make a successful plan about that work? So, about that work, what you are thinking about making a plan before doing the work, that is the process of self-control. Means before doing anything, what you are thinking about as positively and doing patientfully, doing with the great patience, much patience, the work, that is the self-control. It means the main thing needed to learn self-control are discipline and patience. Means two words, discipline and second patience. If you have much patience and you are a disciplined student, disciplined man, then you can follow the self-control. You can follow easily the self-control. Even self-control is not so easy as you think. Self-control is a process of mind, is a function of mind in which you do calmly any work, patiently and with a disciplined manner. So this is the self-control. Body language means if you see the body language of any person, by this way also you can define the self-control. You can say the picture, you can see the picture and also you can define the self-control. By the picture, as to watching carefully body language of the persons involved in the picture. After that also you can say about the self-control. If you watch carefully, that picture tells you as about discipline and patience. If you see the picture and you feel that the person in such way is standing or sitting or start doing the work calmly, he is sitting, she is sitting and doing the work peacefully, and mind and body language is also in peaceful manner and in disciplined way. So it means that is self-control. Suppose to in the prayer time, the teachers tell you, class teachers tell you, make a row. So many students silently come from the room, from the classroom, and they stand in a row. Peacefully they stand in a row as following disciplined manner, and patiently they stand in the row. But some students you see daily, but some students they do not follow the class teacher's words, and sometimes they are scolded by the class teacher, by the teachers. Means class teacher or teachers scold them, those who are running here and there, and they are not coming in the disciplined manner and in the row. So in this way you can see in the daily life, in your school classroom, in the prayer time, in game period. So you can follow this as how you can control as the yourself. So some pictures are given in your book. First picture you can see one child is with another child. He is talking with another child, as by the picture you can see he is smiling, laughing. But in the good manner he is laughing, and body language says that self-control, that he is representing the self-control. Second picture you can see as wonderfully the students are watching, children are watching something wonderfully. So they have not patience, they have not self-control on that manner. You can see as in the cricket match, football match, any match as going on in your school or anywhere, you can watch the TV also. So sometimes if any player, supposed to any batsman plays a good way and he beat the sixer, so in this way you can jump and you can nicely saying that about that player as about goodness, but you have not self-control about on your body. You have not self-control on your body and mind also. You can say something about and more about also. So in this way you can see diagram number C, you can see. So diagram number A, you can see that self-control is following. Diagram number B, self-control is not following. And diagram number C, one boy is standing and taking chapati, and he is so worried as watching carefully the burnt chapati. So you can see the face is not representing as in the happiness. So you can see that the boy has not patience, means has not discipline and patience. So in this way he has not self-control. So C has not self-control. And D, in the diagram you can see in D also two boys are quarreling together. Two boys are fighting together, and you can see in the diagram, this diagram, two boys are fighting together. So D also that does not represent as self-control. Diagram number E, one girl is eating something with a spoon and she is laughing. So in this way you can see that she is following the self-control method, and silently she is sitting and eating something, taking breakfast. So figure number E, it represents self-control. And figure number F, you can see some boys are in queue, means they have made row and they are standing in the disciplined manner. So F, picture F represents, it shows discipline and manner with the good patience. So it represents the self-control. Question number F. So F, diagram number F, it represents self-control. Question number G, you can see one girl is weeping, means it seems to that she has desire to find out something, taking something, but she didn't get that item. So on that she is laughing. So it is not representing the patience, means self-control. So question number G, figure number G, not representing self-control. H, you can see H, at home, one small boy and small girl, they are fighting together as taking, it means in the diagram it is given one type of the play items, any playing things. So they are fighting together, some playing things is there, it is not clear, but they are fighting together. It means they have not patience. So H also have not patience. So it means they have not self-control. Diagram number I, you can see some students are sitting and they are listening. They are listening peacefully. Means on the mind, on the body language, you can see and you can feel that that figure shows the self-control, because they are sitting patiently and in the disciplined manner. So in the disciplined manner also shows the self-control. So picture number I, it shows the self-control. So in this way you can identify the self-control as with the discipline and patience. And the Another page it is given as some control processing given. Simon says children have to perform an action only when the leader says Simon, say do. For example, if the leader says Simon, says touch your toes, and all the children touch their toes. If the leader says touch your toes, no one should touch their toes. Means it is given the one type of example of commanding. In commanding process, one leader is there, that is assuming as the name of one boy Simon. If Simon says to another students, another children, as Simon says, what he says, touch your toes, but they are following and touching the toes. If the children are following and touching the toes, it means they are disciplined and have patience. But if they are not touching, it means they are not following the patience. So in this way also, if the leader says something, but some students, some children are not following that, it means they are not following and they are not following the discipline, means they are out of the self-control. Second process, red light, green light. You can say, children move on the green light and stop on the red light. Don't get caught moving on the red light. It means red light informs us that will be stopped, and green light informs us as you may go from there. Means you may start your moving. So in this way, red light, if children see the red light and they stop, it means they are following the way of discipline, way of self-control. So it means they are showing the self-control. If they are not following, even if the red light is lightning, so it means if the red light is glowing, it means they are moving to, it means they are not following the way. It means they have not self-control. As follow my clap. If teacher, any class teacher, leader, as the leader creates a clapping pattern, children have to listen and repeat it. If they are repeating and they are clapping, it means they are following the leader. It means they are patiently and in a disciplined way, they are following the all process, all activities. It means they have self-control. It shows the self-control. Statue, you know statue? Sometimes you play with and you are running together, and some leader and some special time comes that one tells, be a statue. So you make yourself body as stopping and be statue. On this process, rules of the game are simple. Stay still as a statue in the middle of what you are doing, and no one moves till the leader says statue over. So in this way, if you are doing and still leader says statue over, till that time you are following, it means you have self-control. You have patience, you have self-control. Because discipline manner you are following. Color moves. Next method. Explain to the children that they will walk around the room. They are not moved based on the color paper you are holding up. Green paper means walk fast. Yellow paper means regular pace. And blue paper means slow motion walking. When you hold up a red paper, they stop. Try different locomotor skills, running in place, marching, jumping, and add to the game. In this process, it is given for the leader, for the teacher only, and you also can do at home and with the friends, and you can follow as taking green paper, blue paper, and red paper. So what is there? You can follow it. If your friends are following them, all the rules and regulations, activities, it means they have patience and they have self-control. So you can understand about the self-control by the different games and by the different ways. And when you do go to and fro in the classroom, class teachers and other teachers also say count table or count 1 to 10. So you start counting 1 to 10, then it comes as the peaceful manner and all the class can be controlled. So in this way, many process teacher applies on you, and for only self-control. You may show the self-control. So in this chapter 32, you have a lot more about self-control. So you can make question about yourself, that what is self-control, how can you follow it, and you can prepare this chapter. I will give some questions and answers from this chapter about self-control. Today's class, thank you.